What's up YouTube, it is Mikey and today we are going to be playing some Fortnite with my friend Amy. Say hi Amy.
Hi.
So we're going to play some Fortnite.
Sorry if there's background noises, guys. Sorry if there's background noises, guys. Oops, sorry. Wait a second.
I have some business. No, you check JJ Whitey sent invited me, I'm not accepting. Okay. My challenges. Wait, where should we go to? Wait, on week 3 though, one of the challenges is to search a chest in Lonely Lodge. Do you want to go to Lonely?
Sure.
I've got category 8 tables.
I'm gonna go to Lonely Lodge. I'm gonna Lonely.
There's yours working.
I just loaded in. Let's go to Lonely.
We're going to where?
Lonely. Lonely Lodge. Jump off now. Jump off now.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see it on the map because it's like straight.
Why is it going so fast, the battle pass?
I have no idea.
Why? I don't see anyone at Lonely. No, it's glitched. No! Should have known. Oh, I think it was like one. Amy needs to revive me. Amy, revive me.
I'm coming.
Plus, it's one of your challenges. Like, what? Amy, don't go on top of the building. Help! Help! Amy, I'm right here. Hello, Amy, you're going right past me.
I know, I'm getting wood to block us. Wait.
Okay, thanks. Because it's actually for one of your challenges in week 3. You have to revive 5 players in different matches.
Yes.
I'm gonna go try and find some bandages. I know, I'm just gonna go up here. So I know there's like an Amy, if you want, I'll let you get one chest because it's for a quest. I really want a rift to go. Because like we could stay here for ages and we could be like, yeah. What? I thought that, wait, we have to go to the house, you can get the other ammo. Amy, don't jump off, we have to go down. Amy, I'm coming.
I thought you could decoy.
No, it doesn't work in this mode, I'm coming down. So hashtag I don't want to die.
Oh
Yep, you're gonna survive, trust me. Right, stay there. We don't
no.
need.
It's already ending really bad.
Now we only have like 30 health each.
That is really good.
Yeah, revive plays. I'm gonna get some wood. Should we go to the house? There's a house over there and Lonely.
Oh no, get the mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. They do shield, don't they?
I know, but it'll help.
Yeah, I'm going to the house. There's a house, Amy. Follow me.
Send me some stuff.
Amy, there's someone there. Don't go. Amy, don't.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, there's actually. I found a cozy campfire. I can. This is for one of my quests. Actually, I'm so happy. Amy, where are you? I got a cozy campfire, right? Look.
Could it be my secret?
Okay, no. I'm gonna and use it. Someone sniped me.
Shame.
Just sad.
Oh, JJ joined the match.
I'll say wait.
He can win the vid.
I'm just gonna kick him.
Okay. Can we play some disco domination?
Yeah, but it's super laggy. That's the only problem. I usually get. Wait, do my son soaring? Oh my god.
Quick.
It's just soaring, actually. It's just soaring.
Okay, he won't be able to join us.
Yeah, he sent me a request. If
He can't because the match has already started.
Thank God.
You must share a password with the N. D-Box scans.
Yeah, guys, we'll try to do some more Fortnite videos.
Yes. And check out, subscribe to my channel at Amy Bishop.
Yes, subscribe. It's a brand new channel, so guys, I'll leave her name in the description so you can go subscribe to her. Someone's playing the piano.
So where are we going to?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Just go further.
Well, let's go somewhere.
Dusty?
I'm going to Dusty.
I'm gonna go to Dusty. I like that house next to Dusty. I just think it looks like this.
Oh yeah, that house next to Dusty's pretty good. Isn't it? Guys, I'm the default, I know.
Oh, I don't really see anyone else.
I'm staying in default forever. I'm just kidding. I probably will be getting V-Bucks soon.
I'm just gonna. This is like area in the house that I just
This is my second
place in, because it usually takes a while to load, guys. You lucky. Guys, sorry for the lag. Like,
and bandages and yeah.
because yeah, it just loaded in. Oh, it's a chest.
Chest closing.
Wait,
don't do it.
No, there's not good loot. I got bad loot. But I got a rare AR.
Save me some stuff. Oh my god, why am I making steps?
I've got a rare AR. I think no one else is here.
I'm pretty sure there's somebody around.
There are a lot of people in our team.
We should probably get going, so...
I got some jewels. I got pumps. I've got 3 weapons. I've got rares too.
There's a burst here.
I got a legendary chug jug, boy. I got a legendary chug jug. Can it take me?
I got back now, so.
No, this guy is going to stink bomb on me. Why would a guy do that? Because Wait. No, oh god, I'm being killed.
By who?
Someone shot this guy.
Oh my god, I'm scared now.
I left him. Wait, I'm gonna revive him. Wait, can I revive him?
Sorry, I'm reviving him.
I'm reviving him.
It's that girl. It's that girl, she's up there. She's on the floor. She's on the other floor, she's up there.
I just don't want her to know I'm here. So what I'm gonna do is
I'm dying. She's shooting it down. We have to get out of here. Me and this guy are gonna escape.
I made it out.
We're going downstairs, we're hiding. Oh! She's outside there.
Who think bomb? I'm gonna.
I died. Guys, we are really bad at Fortnite.
I'm still here.
What?
What? I'm actually under the house.
Yeah.
I'll like be dead in a minute. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna go get the chest. Oh!
I'm gonna go in a match.
Oh wait! Oh god, she's here. I'm killing her, Amy. Oh god, no! Killing each other, boy. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill her, guys. Oh god. No, I might not. No way, I might kill her. Oh, you're kidding me. How much health did she have? Amy, no way. Someone knocked her out. Amy, I survived.
Oh, nice.
No, this guy, please revive me, Gar. Please revive. She revived me. Guys, I'm not kidding. She straight revived me.
Guys, after this, I'm going to post a video, so stay tuned.
I need to... She was so nice. Wait, don't do a run without me.
Sorry about the background noises, guys.
I'm literally like so happy. I'm literally in the trees. Wait, someone else.
I'm going to Tilted, guys.
Someone's hashtag here. I really want a rift to go.
Oh my god, that's that. I need to go inside.
Why? The shield is full.
So, whoa. Let me get it. Yes,
Wait.
I'm gonna suppress.
I'm not gonna go to paradise. I want the storm to get me. The storm's too far. I don't want the storm to get me, actually.
Don't let me drop it.
No. Boy.
I need to drop the wrong
No,
one.
guys, stores for what just happened to my screen. Oh god.
Guys, I think we're having some technical difficulties here.
Yeah, I am. Oh, my screen just moved. Guys, did you see that? That was someone on my team. Oh, supply drop's coming. I'm gonna kill myself. But that's fine. So guys, sorry I have to go. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below if you want me to do any more Fortnite content.